It's one of my favorite things. It's experiment with brand new products and see if they work time. So I bought these Zoet brand, liquid gold and liquid chrome pens. These are markers. Each one is a 3-pack, and they come with 3 different sizes. There's a 3mm, 1mm, and a 0.7mm. And I am curious to see how chrome is chrome, how reflective, and how gold is this gold. And because I think I might, have some fun using it in glass art. And so I just want to test them out. So I'm going to test these a couple different ways. I've got the chrome. I'm going to use the 3mm tip. I've got the chrome, which I'm going to draw on black and on white. And I'm going to do a full fuse. I have a full fuse load going in, so I'm going to do a full fuse of it just to see if it sticks around, or does it completely burn off? What does it look like after it goes through the full fuse? And then on the box here, it says, let it cure for 24 hours to be resistant to water and scratches and fading and such. So the other piece, I'll just let dry for 24 hours and we'll see what it looks like not being fired, with the idea that you could use these on your finished glass art and let it cure for 24 hours and not fire it on. But if it fires on, that would be interesting as well to learn about. So I'm going to do a full fuse, and then I'll do something more like a tack or contour fuse some other time when I've got another load going in. But for now, let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm gonna get these going. I'm gonna write on my black and on my white with the chrome, and then with the gold, we'll fire 2 of them and see what they look like when they come out. All right, well, the quick answer is no, they do not stand up to a full fuse firing. I took this to 1475 for 15 minutes, and this one I can barely see says gold. This one very barely says silver. You might not even be able to see that. This would have been my silver one, and only the gold on the white kind of stayed. As a matter of fact, not even sure if it'll... yeah, it's generally on there, but clearly that's not that's not what you would be going for. So at a full fuse, the answer is no. Now I'll try this at something of a lower temperature too, more of a slump temperature just to see. So stay tuned. I don't expect anything, but stay tuned just to see anyway. All right, so we have fired this time I went 1275 for 10 minutes, and more of it stayed, so I can barely see where it says silver. You're not gonna be able to see that, I don't think, but I can barely see that. This was on black, gold, and silver, and you can see a little bit more than the gold on the white lost its luster. It's still clearly legible in there. I suppose you could have a use case for getting an appearance like this, but I just wanted to put it in at kind of a slump temperature and see what happened. So I'm gonna say that these pens are not great for doing anything in the kiln. This is going to be after you're done firing. These have been sitting for well more than 24 hours, it said, to let them set for 24 hours to kind of really cure them on there. Gosh, it's been closer to 36. And now I just wanted to kind of test and see. Okay, so with a razor blade, I can get it off. I'm detecting a little bit of scratching coming off with fingernail, but not too bad on the gold. Can't really tell much of anything on the, yeah, maybe a little scratching on the silver. So I've got this white tree. Now I've done one of these, you might have seen a video a couple weeks ago where I used actual gold luster and fired it on. And I was thinking that perhaps this gold pen could be a solution to do that if you're not into gold luster. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to put the gold on here with the marker, with the pen. And just be careful with this piece. I don't think, I'm not scratching it with a fingernail every day, so I think it should be fine. And I would still have the pens to do a little touch up if I wanted to, because I think this one's staying with me. So as an example of something to do besides gold luster, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate this one with this pen now.